GSR for Harley by VAIS Technology. High-quality satellite radio integrated right into your bike's radio and handlebar controls. Before operating your GSR, navigate to the menu and make sure Seek is selected. If your radio is set to presets, your GSR will not function properly. To find your GSR, select Media from the home screen, then choose SiriusXM. From here you can browse your channels one at a time. You can also browse your presets by holding down the track button. If you would like to view all your channels, choose Find, Artist, Tune Presets and Channels, and All Channels. Here you can quickly scroll through all your SiriusXM channels. To add your current channel as a preset, select Find, Artist, Tune Presets and Channels, Add Preset, and Save Current Channel. Then your channel will be added to your list of presets. Your GSR will also display the preset number, the channel number, and the name of the channel beneath the artist information. To view your presets, choose Tune Presets and Channels, and then My Presets. Here you can store up to 36 channels. You can remove a preset by choosing Tune Presets and Channels, Delete Preset, and then selecting which channel you would like to remove. You can also replace a preset. Simply find a channel you wish to replace your old preset with, then select Find, Artist, Tune Presets and Channels, and Replace Preset. Once your list of old presets appears, choose the channel you would like to replace. If you would like to erase all your presets, choose Tune Presets and Channels, and Delete All Presets. If you would like to browse by category, choose Find, Artist, and Browse by Category. You can choose System Information to view your SiriusXM radio ID or check your signal quality. Get your GSR today at vaistech.com.